Shrimp tacos. Ingredients: 1 pound large raw shrimp, shells removed and deveined. 2 tablespoons olive oil. Half teaspoon chipotle powder. Half teaspoon cumin powder. Salt and pepper, to taste. 8 ounces bacon. 1/4 medium green cabbage, core removed and thinly sliced. 2 cups, not packed, cilantro leaves, roughly chopped. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 3 tablespoons lime juice. Salt and pepper, to taste. 8 tortillas. 1 large avocado. Lime crema. Lime's wedges. Extra cilantro leaves. Directions: preheat the oven to 400 F. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper and lay the bacon on top. Cook the bacon for 18-20 minutes, or until crispy. Transfer to a paper towel-lined plate to dry, then crumble into pieces. In a large mixing bowl, add the cabbage, crumbled bacon, cilantro, olive oil, lime juice, salt, and pepper. Stir to combine and set aside. In a medium mixing bowl, stir together the raw shrimp, chipotle powder, cumin, salt, pepper, and olive oil, until well coated. Heat a sauté pan on medium heat and cook the shrimp for 1-2 minutes on each side, or until cooked through. Alternatively, you can grill the shrimp. Assemble the tacos by adding several pieces of shrimp and topping with a spoonful of slaw, a few slices of avocado, and a drizzle of lime crema.